Stop what you're doing. Most DIY tools just don't cut it, but today, we're testing power tools that actually make your projects faster, easier, and way more satisfying. From drills that crush concrete to chainsaws, grinders, and planers that handle any tough job, we're diving into the tools that serious DIYers are calling game changers. You'll want to see this before your next project. This is the Bosch Professional GHO 185 Li cordless planer, a rugged tool that turns rough wood into perfectly smooth surfaces in seconds. With an 82mm cutting width and up to 9mm rebating depth, it shaves down edges, trims doors, and levels boards with pro-grade precision. The built-in dust extraction keeps your work area tidy, and its cordless design gives you total freedom on the job. If you love woodworking and DIY upgrades, this Bosch planer makes tricky jobs effortless. This is the DEWALT 20V Max Combo Kit, 2 seriously powerful tools in one set. You get a compact driver for all your everyday builds, plus an impact driver that talks through bolts like nothing else. Cordless freedom means you can work anywhere, and the rugged DEWALT design tackles wood, metal, and concrete with confidence. Whether you're DIYing your dream room or fixing up around the house, this combo gives you speed, strength, and reliability in one package. This is the Bosch Professional Expert Self-Cut Speed Spade Bit Set, the accessory every DIYer needs for wood, softwood, chipboard and particle board jobs. These bits are designed with Bosch's fast-cutting tip technology, so you drill holes up to 3 times faster with less effort. They self-feed into the wood, cutting clean and smooth holes for cables, pipes or dowels without slowing you down. Compact, tough, and versatile, this 6-piece set makes your drill even more powerful. This is the Bosch Professional ISR 18V30P Industrial Cordless Drill Driver, a compact, but powerful tool engineered for heavy-duty fastening. With a torque range from 9 to 30 Nm, and up to 1,400 revolutions per minute, it delivers consistent, precise screw tightening every time. Its precision clutch and brushless motor deliver reliable performance and long life, while the lightweight design keeps you working comfortably. Built for repetitive jobs and smart tool management with integrated NFC, it's a pro-level upgrade for serious builders. This Bosch Professional 18V Battery Straight Grinder is a cordless beast that brings corded level power to your workshop. Its brushless motor delivers torque and speed like a 1000-watt corded grinder, so you can grind, deburr, and shape metal, concrete, and masonry without limits. With smart safety features like kickback and drop control, plus compatibility with Bosch's 18V battery system, you get total freedom for tough jobs. It's compact, lightweight, and built to last, perfect for DIY and pro projects alike. This is the Bosch Professional GRW 140 Concrete Stirrer, the tool that makes mixing concrete, mortar, plaster, paint, and adhesives fast and effortless. With a 1400W high-performance motor, it handles large volumes with ease and reduces fatigue on long jobs. Its ergonomic wheel-shaped handle gives you maximum control, and the soft start and constant speed make mixing smooth and consistent every time. If you're serious about DIY or renovation, this mixer saves time and energy. This is the Bosch GPL 100-50G 5-point self-leveling alignment laser, a compact tool that makes leveling walls, fixtures, and layouts super easy. It shoots bright green laser points up to 125 feet, up to 4 times brighter than red beams, so you can see alignment lines even in bright conditions. With self-leveling tech and a multi-purpose mount that sticks almost anywhere, it gives you accurate, pro-level alignment every time. A must-have for serious DIY projects. This is the Bosch Professional 18V System Chainsaw GKE 18V40, a powerful cordless chainsaw that brings pro-level cutting power to your backyard and workshop. Its brushless motor delivers strong cutting performance with low noise, and the 40 cm bar handles everything from thick branches to big timber beams. Featuring OptiCut technology that adjusts speed and torque to prevent stallouts, this chainsaw makes cutting faster, smoother, and way more fun. Built tough and ready for any job. Most DIY drills quit the moment they hit concrete, but this Bosch cordless hammer drill absolutely doesn't. It delivers pro-level power in a compact, cordless body, punching through concrete, wood, and metal with ease. The brushless motor gives longer runtime, while vibration control keeps every shot steady and smooth. No cords, no limits, just pure freedom to build anywhere. If you want faster, cleaner DIY projects, this is the upgrade that changes everything. Check out the Bosch Professional GSS 20-18A corded vibrating sander, the perfect tool for DIYers who want smooth, pro-level finishes without breaking a sweat. This Orbital sander's low vibration design means less fatigue and more control on long sanding jobs, whether you're prepping wood, smoothing surfaces, or refinishing furniture. Its balanced build makes sanding in every direction effortless, giving you a clean, professional finish every time. If you love quality results with less work, this Bosch sander delivers. This is the Bosch Professional 18V System Cordless DrillDriver GSB 18V65, a brushless powerhouse that brings serious performance to your DIY toolkit. With up to 55 Nm of torque and dual speed settings, it drills, drives, and even hammer drills through tough materials with ease. The built-in LED lights keep your work area bright, while kickback control adds safety on tricky jobs. Compact, cordless, and built to last, this drill makes every home project faster and smoother.